Hi guys, Neci Love Harmon here of What She Created Enterprises, and today I will be showing you how to thread the bobbin of a Brother XL5340 sewing machine. So here is a threaded bobbin, which you can buy at any local craft store or online site, but you don't necessarily have to buy it already threaded. We're going to learn how to thread it in this video. So I have an empty bobbin here for this particular machine, and I will show you how to put thread on it. So first thing we're going to do is take this empty bobbin and we're going to put it on the bobbin holder here. So we push it down and click it. The good thing about most sewing machines is that they have guides on them to show you what exactly to do. In order to thread this bobbin, we're going to use the guides 1, 2, and 3. So the first thing we need to do is take the thread and we're going to wrap it around this circular piece here. And then we're going to allow the thread to go this way, and then it's going to go around the bobbin as such. Okay, let's take our thread and we are going to wrap it exactly like the instructions tell us. So we'll go this way and come around just like that. Then we're going to take our thread. An easy way that I do this is I will cut the thread just to make sure that it's easy to go in. Next thing, I'm going to find the hole in the bobbin here, and there is a hole here. It's an open hole, and I want to come from under here to thread the bobbin. So I'll take my, hopefully you can see this and it's not blurry. I'll take my thread. I'm going to tilt this a little way so you can tell that I'm not coming from here, but I'm going under here. So I'll take my thread, I'm going here, and I have threaded it at the top here. So you see how it is inserted into the bobbin here. And then I'm going to click it back on the spool here, and I'm going to hold it, and then I'm going to click. All right, and that will usually assist with stopping the sewing needle from going up and down so that we can focus on the bobbin here. I cut my machine on, and I'm going to push the foot pedal, and it should go. Yes. Okay, so after about maybe 3 seconds, I usually cut this off of the bobbin, and then I'm just going to watch it. Now usually you can do this until the bobbin will usually stop on its own. Sometimes you don't want to go too fast, but take your time. Because one thing that has happened a lot for me is this thread will come off and then it'll mess up everything, because you want to have a smooth bobbin thread. So let's keep going. And you see that it's about ready to stop. So we know that it's full of thread. I'll cut it, and then I want to examine this to make sure that it is smooth. Okay, so it is smooth. You don't want it to be loopy, because if it's loopy, it's gonna mess up your stitch, and then you're gonna have a bigger problem because you're not gonna be able to sew. And now you are ready to insert this into the bobbin of your Brother XL5340, and you can start sewing. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Like our video, subscribe to our page, like us on Facebook and Instagram, and let us know your comments. So happy sewing.